back down, about to land soon. This is a nice view. Y'all see that? So guys, yeah. Yep. We just landed to Casablanca. Yay. So we are stepping out of the plane. Hey guys, we landed at Casablanca and we got our hotel already, and now we are eating.
Hi guys, now I'm so tired right now. Yeah.
Same here. Y'all want to see our food? It doesn't look all that, man. I think I would throw everything away. But this one is for Jordan though. Here. And that one is for me. They gave us this food for free, but this doesn't look so good. And yeah, we'll try it and see how it goes. But I think I'm not gonna eat it. Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye. So guys, this is where we had to wait for our next flight. It's a really small, tiny room. And this is me. But yeah, let me put it on my face. Here. Focus on me, come on. And the lighting is here is so bad. But yeah, we have like literally 2 more hours left for our next flight to come. So yeah, we better head out right now so we can see what's going on upstairs. Cause literally our flight, like our hotel where we are, like the room where we are at, is in the airport. So we're just gonna go upstairs and see what's going on. We might come back down, or we might not, depending of if people are already starting to get ready to go. Cause we're leaving in 2 hours. Alright guys, we see you guys later. Bye. Like it's raining and our stuff are right there. This is crazy. Wow. This is crazy.